Yeah, okay. Good morning, students. Good morning. Happy Saturday. Yeah, happy weekend. Thank you so much for coming back to my class. Thank you for joining. How have you been doing today? Is everyone doing great? Yes. Thank you, Dad and Lynn, for confirming. What about the rest of you? Is everyone doing great? Is everyone doing great? I'm asking you guys. Yeah, Darren. Thank you, Darren Lim. What about the others? Manfred, are you good? Manfred Jacob, are you good there?
Yes, sir.
Nice. Frederick E, how is it going today?
I'm sorry, sir. I can't hear your voice clearly.
How is it going today?
It's fine.
It's fine. Nice. So, as usual, students, before we start the class, I need you to turn on your camera because I need to see you there. I need to make sure that you are paying attention to me. Yeah. I'm sorry that today I'd like to use my British accent. I don't know why. It's been a while since the last time I used it. Yeah. So before we start, please, again and again, I need to remind you to turn on your camera, please. Yeah, for those who haven't. Is that so difficult to turn on your camera?
But sir, I can hear your voice.
Really?
Yes, this is a rain. Jadi sinyalnya agak susah, sir.
It's raining outside. Yeah, it's true. We live in the same place, actually. That's why I know. Yeah. So guys, I live in the same place with Manfred and Michael. Yeah. We live in the same complex. That's why here, yeah, it's heavily raining. That's why it might be unstable connections. So I think we can start now, and let me share my screen. Students, can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, nice one. Yeah, so I think we're good to go. Let me put this one into the full screen mode. Yeah, so students, yeah, I think we can just start. And for today's topic, we will talk about quantifiers. Yeah, we'll talk about quantifiers, particularly about sum and any. Yeah, sum and any. Once again, before I start, can you see my screen? Can you see it? Okay, yeah, let's go then. Here we go. As usual, students, before I start delivering the explanation of our study today or our topics, I would like to mention some goals of the class. Yeah. So today we're going to achieve some goals or objectives. The first one is to recognize quantifiers in English. And the second one is to be able to use quantifiers properly. Yeah. might be, yeah, reading this make you questioning in your mind, what is actually quantifier? Here we go. Look at this one. Quantifier is a word that usually goes before a noun to express the quantity of the object. Yeah. Wait, let me here. Now, look at this one. Quantifier, once again, a word that usually goes before a noun. So it is actually the position. Yeah. It is the position. Yeah. We have to put quantifier before a noun. And then the function is to express the quantity of the object. Yeah. The quantity of the object. What is actually quantity? Quantity means jumlah. Yeah. So in bahasa Indonesia, quantifier itu adalah kata yang diletakkan sebelum noun untuk menjelaskan jumlah dari noun tersebut. Seperti itu. Okay, let's continue. Now, in English, there are many kinds of quantifiers. Yeah, but for today, we're going to only focus for some of them. Yeah, some that are written in your book. The first one is some, and then the second one is any. So that's it. For the first part of the explanations, we would like to compare the difference between some and any. Yeah, okay, so the comparison is made into 3 points. Yeah, as you can see there. The first one, some. We use some before countable and uncountable nouns. Or in other words, we can use some for countable and we can use it for uncountable nouns. That's the first one. Number two, we use some only in affirmative sentences. Yeah, so we're not going to use some in negative or questions. And then the third one, if you use some with countable nouns, the noun should be plural because some is actually more than one. Yeah. And then what about any? This is it. We can also use any before countable and uncountable nouns too. However, we use any only in negative and questions. So we're not going to use any in affirmative or positive sentences. And then the third one is if you use any with countable nouns, the noun should be plural, just like some. Yeah. So what is actually some and any in bahasa Indonesia? Artinya adalah beberapa, gitu ya nak? Artinya beberapa. Kalau beberapa itu more than one. Seperti itu. Okay, let's see some examples. So this one. I've got some apples. Yeah, I've got some apples. Look at this one. Some is followed by apple. Let me ask you first. Is apple countable or uncountable? Students, is apple countable or uncountable?
Countable.
Countable, yeah.
Countable.
So as you said, yeah, apple is countable noun. So if it is used with some, it must be plural. Yeah. Point number 3. It must be plural. That's why we write apples. Look at example number 2. There is some cheese. Yeah, there is some cheese. Cheese, is it countable or uncountable?
Uncountable.
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 Exactly. Yeah. So we have to remember that uncountable nouns are singular. Yeah. Semua kata benda yang uncountable mereka itu singular. That's why although we use some here, walaupun artinya beberapa, but cheese is still singular. That's why we use is. Okay. So there is some cheese. Don't say there are some cheese because uncountable now. Yeah. Because cheese is uncountable now. Okay. As you can see in the slide, yeah, we use some only for positive sentence or affirmative sentences. On the other hand, we use any for negative, and questions. Look at this one. I don't have any apples. Yeah. We change some into any, and then apple is still plural apples because of what? Because any means plural for countable nouns. And then we also have there isn't any cheese. Yeah, there isn't any cheese. Cheese is uncountable. That's why we use is. And the questions, have you got any apples? Have you got any apples? Yeah, any apple. And then is there any cheese? Yeah, any cheese, and then it's is because cheese is uncountable. So far, have you got questions? Sejauh ini ada yang mau ditanya? What is it, Jacob?
Pengertian quantifiers.
Quantifiers. Quantifiers adalah kata yang diletakkan sebelum kata benda untuk menunjukkan jumlah dari benda tersebut. Oke?
Oke, sir.
Okay, that's it. Any more questions before we proceed to the next slides?
Sir, we use are in countable no or yes? Are to be. We use to be
okay.
in
Okay,
countable yes or no?
I got it. Now, look at this one, guys. We used to be, yeah, we used to be based on the nouns that we use. What it means, yeah? If the noun is singular, you use is as the to be, right? But if the noun is plural, you use are as the to be. Seperti itu. Now, look at this one. Cheese. Cheese is uncountable. Yeah, uncountable is singular. That's why we use is. Ya kan? Ini. But if you say there are some apples, so some apples, it must be with are. To be-nya harus are. Jadi to be-nya itu tergantung jumlahnya ya. Kalau jumlahnya satu is, kalau lebih dari satu are. Seperti itu. Oke? Okay?
Kalau misalnya dia gunakan to be di apples-nya, dia jadinya kayak gini, sir. I have got are some apples. Kayak gitu. Kalau misalnya
let me write on the whiteboard. Okay. Can you see my whiteboard? Okay. Like this one. Yeah. We say there is a water. Yeah. There is water. Look at this one. Why do we use is for water? Because of what? Because water is singular. Yeah. Why is it singular, sir? Because water is uncountable. Kan seperti itu ya. Air itu uncountable, jadi dia singular. Makanya pakai is. Kalau misalnya kalian mau pakai some and any, kita bilangnya there is some water. Walaupun some artinya beberapa, karena dia bersamaan dengan uncountable, ini kan uncountable ya, water, makanya dia pakai is. So what about apples? Now look at this one. Apple. Is it countable or uncountable?
Countable.
Countable. Ya, berarti ada istilah plural, ada istilah singular. Seperti itu ya. Nah, tadi kan di poinnya tadi, kalau dia some diikuti oleh countable seperti ini, countable noun-nya harus singular. Plural, sorry. Ya. Noun-nya harus plural. Berarti karena kan beberapa itu lebih dari satu kan? Ya, beberapa itu artinya lebih dari satu, makanya dia harus plural. Jadi kalau kamu pakai to be, jadi kita bilangnya there are some apples. Ya. There are some apples. Jadi are-nya ini, look at this one. Are. Kenapa are, sir? Karena apple ini kan sudah dalam bentuk plural, seperti itu. Ingat, some itu lebih dari satu. Kalau lebih dari satu, plural. Kalau plural, to be-nya apa? Are. Itu aja. Michael? Michael?
Yes, sir.
Gimana?
Yeah. I understand. Okay.
Really? Jadi kalau ini Michael, sorry. What about this, Michael? What is the to before the sentence?
Berarti roti kan, sir?
Yes, it is.
There is some bread.
Why? Why
Wait,
is?
there are some bread.
Why are? Harus jelas ya.
There.
The first thing that you need to do, yeah, the first
Okay.
thing that you need to do, you have to take a look at this one. Ini ditengok dulu. Ini countable atau uncountable?
Uncountable ya?
Ya.
Kalau misalnya ya uncountable karena dihitung apa? Satu-satu.
Kalau dia uncountable,
Berarti dia
singular.
gunakan there is some bread.
Yes, it is. Yes, harusnya di sini there is seperti itu ya. Karena dia singular. Ini is. That's it. There is some bread. Seperti itu ya. Oke. Oh, sorry. Then we continue. Yeah. Okay, that's it. Now, the next quantifiers are many, much, and a lot of. Yeah. Many, much, and a lot of. Look at that. We use many, we use much, and we use a lot of to talk about big quantities. Yeah, big quantities means jumlah yang besar atau banyak. Seperti itu ya. Many artinya banyak, much artinya banyak, a lot of artinya banyak. So what makes them different? Now look at this one. We use many for countable nouns. Yeah, we use much for uncountable nouns. We use a lot of for countable or uncountable. Jadi kalau dalam main kartu ada joker ya, joker itu bisa merah, bisa hitam, right? Jadi a lot of adalah joker buat keduanya. Seperti jadi dia masuk untuk countable, dia bisa juga masuk untuk uncountable. Ya, look at this one. Because many is used for big quantities, ya. Karena many itu artinya banyak, banyak itu kan lebih dari satu ya. So the countable nouns must be plural. Okay, look at this one. First example, there are many students in the classroom. There are many students in the classroom. Look at that, many students. Ya, students harus dengan S untuk menandakan dia lebih dari satu. Kalau misalnya students tidak pakai S jadi student, itu kan singular. Ya kan? Berarti tidak cocok memakai many karena many itu lebih dari satu. Seperti itu. Second example, many people take the train to work. Ya. Many people take the train to work. Many and then followed by people. People. People itu singular or plural?
Plural, sir.
Oh, bentuk singularnya apa? Omo. Come on. What is the singular form of people?
Person.
Person. Yes, exactly, Felicia. Person. Ya. Jadi people itu adalah bentuk plural dari person. Person. Ya. Jadi dia irregular. Ya. That's why many people. Jangan bilang many person. That is unacceptable. Number 3, I have many games in my phone. Yeah, I have many games in my phone. Many and then games in plural. Let's get to number 2, much. Yeah, as I said before, much is used for telling big quantities. However, since much is going with uncountable, it's still singular. Ya. Walaupun artinya much ini banyak, tapi karena dia dengan uncountable nouns, dia tetap singular. Look at this one. I've got much time to play a game. Much time. Don't say I've got many time. That is wrong. Yeah. She has drunk so much coffee. Yeah. She has drunk so much coffee. And then there isn't. Look at this one. There isn't much sugar left. Yeah. Walaupun much dia tetap pakai is. Okay. And then the third one is a lot of. As I said before, we can use a lot of to talk about big quantities for countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Yeah. Look at the examples. Chill, we have a lot of time. Nah, time ini tadi countable atau uncountable?
Uncountable.
Uncountable ya, ada di sini. Ya, tapi walaupun dia uncountable, kita bisa pakai a lot of, karena a lot of itu boleh untuk keduanya. Ya. Number 2, I saw a lot of people at the concert. I saw a lot of people at the concert. People itu countable, a lot of, ya. And then number 3, we need to drink a lot of water every day. Yeah, we need to drink a lot of water every day. A lot of water. That's it. So far, have you got questions? Ada yang mau ditanya di sini? Jacob, please.
Yang alat itu, sir, yang pengertian itu, we need to drink alat itu, sir.
What is happening there? Are you asking me to translate it?
Yang ini pengertiannya.
Kita meminum.
Pengertian yang mana? Yang ini?
Yang di, no, iya, sir.
Oh, yang ini, yang kamu coret ini?
Bukannya nomor titik ketiga itu, sir.
Oh,
yang ini
okay.
ya.
Okay, look at that. Sekali lagi ya. Okay, Manfred Jacob is questioning me about the meaning of these 3 examples. Yeah, so let me repeat one more explanation. We use a lot of, kita pakai a lot of itu untuk menandakan jumlahnya banyak. Ya, banyak. Nah, ini gimana nih? Bisa dihapus nggak? Oke, udah. Nah, jumlahnya banyak. Ya. Dan kita pakai a lot of buat countable noun dan juga uncountable noun. Seperti itu. Contoh nomor 1, chill. Chill itu artinya slow, santai, gitu ya. Slow, we have a lot of time. Ya, slow aja, masih banyak waktu. Number 2, I saw a lot of people at the concert. I saw a lot of people. Aku melihat banyak orang di konser itu. Banyak orang, ya. And the number 3, yang ini, Jacob, we need to drink a lot of water every day. Kita perlu minum banyak air setiap hari. Itu artinya. Oke? Okay?
Oke, sir. Thank you.
Yes, thank you so much, Manfred Jacob. So the next one, we're going to compare a few and a little. Yeah, a few and a little. Look at that one. We use a few and we use a little to talk about small quantities. Yeah, quantities. Okay, a few and a little to talk about small quantities. However, you need to remember that we use a few for countable nouns and we use a little or a little for uncountable nouns. Yeah, a little or a little, yeah, itu for uncountable nouns. That's what you need to remember. But guys, although we use a few for small quantities, yeah, because it is followed by countable nouns, the noun should be plural. Jadi walaupun artinya sedikit, sedikit itu bukan berarti satu. Seperti itu ya. Makanya nounnya harus tetap plural. Look at this one. We need a few coins for the part. Yeah, we need a few coins for the car part. Look at this one. A few, sedikit coins, tapi coinsnya harus tetap plural. Yeah. Number 2, a few students got an A+. Yeah, a few students got A+ on the exam. A few students. On the other hand, we use a little to talk about small quantities. And it is used for uncountable nouns. Look at this one. Yeah, for uncountable nouns. And remember, because it is uncountable noun, so they must be singular. Ya. Jadi kalau di uncountable itu nggak ada cerita plural-plural, semua singular. Okay? First example. It is actually mistype, ya harusnya ada you di sini. Would you, ya? Would you like a little milk in your coffee? A little milk. Or second example, the supercar needs a little oil. Yeah, the supercar needs a little oil. That's it. Oil is uncountable. Yeah. So far, have you got questions? No? Okay, let me continue. We've got some notes here. Look at this one. Yeah. We can use few without a to refer to small quantity with a negative tense. What does it mean? Ya. Jadi a few atau a little itu bisa kita pakai cuman few-nya aja atau little-nya aja. Tapi maknanya berbeda dengan a few. Seperti itu. Let me wait. Let me share you the whiteboard. Yeah. We can use few and we can use little. Ya. If you use both of them, ya, kalau kalian cuma pakai few-nya aja atau little-nya aja, itu artinya negatif. It has negative sense. What does it mean? Kita bedakan ya dengan ini. Oh, sorry. Oh my God. That's it. Yeah. Oh, why is it? Oke. Nah, negatif di sini artinya apa? Nah, a few, a little itu artinya sedikit. Few dan little juga artinya sedikit. Tapi bedanya, kalau few aja tanpa a di depannya itu artinya sangat sedikit. Sangat-sangat sedikit. Like hampir tidak cukup seperti itu ya. Little juga ya, kalau little-nya aja dipakai itu artinya sangat sedikit, hampir tidak cukup. But if you use a few itu artinya sedikit, tapi dia masih cukup, kira-kira seperti itu. Dan kalau kamu juga pakai a little, ya ada a di depannya, itu artinya sedikit, tapi kira-kira masih cukup. Itu bedanya ya. Contohnya, ada 100 orang students, ya ada 100 orang students. Perlu dibagikan, let's say apple, ya apple. Sementara apelnya hanya ada 25, gitu ya. Jadi kan apelnya ini harus dibagi 4 ya, supaya bisa 100 orang dibagi. Nah itu kan sedikit kan? Ya kan? Apelnya ada sedikit, cuma 25 dibandingkan orangnya yang 100 tadi. Tapi karena masih cukup, kita bilangnya a few apples. Seperti itu. Tapi kalau few ini, bayangkan dengan 100 orang tadi, hanya ada 3 apel. Cukup nggak sih untuk bagi-bagi? Enggak ya? Nah, kira-kira seperti itu. Makanya kita bilangnya few apples. Gitu. Itulah bedanya. Oh, wait. Sorry. That's the difference. Okay. Let's continue. Yeah, to continue the lesson, I need you guys to open your students book page 26. Silakan buka students booknya halaman 26. Okay, on page 26, yeah, we're going to do part 5. Yeah, part 5. Look at that. Complete the conversation with Sam and Lenny. What do Shu and Tom decide to have? Yeah. Page 26, part 5. Ya, bagian kelima. Have you got it? Sudah dapat, nak? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let me read the first. Yeah, the first number 1 is an example. Nanti kalian baca satu persatu. Okay. I'm hungry. Me too. Let's make some sandwiches. Is there any bread? Yeah, is there any bread? Kenapa kita pakai any? The first one, it is question. Ya kan, kita pakai any itu di negatif dan pertanyaan. Makanya di situ any. Ya. Oke, who's going to do number 2 for us? Siapa yang mau baca nomor 2 dan bilang jawabannya? Raise your hand and then say something.
Saya, sir.
Oh ya, silakan Manfred dulu, baru nanti Valencia Diora. Manfred, please read number 2 and then say your answer.
Yes, there's any bread.
There's any bread. Yes, exactly. Tapi itu salah. Why? Kenapa salah? Anyone knows? Felicia, yes, please, Felicia.
Yes, there's some bread because we cannot use any because it's a positive sentence.
Yes, nah, the sentence for number 2 is positive or affirmative, ya. Jadi kalau positif kita nggak pakai any, walaupun artinya sama, kita pakainya some seperti itu. So for number 2, it's supposed to be there is some bread, ya. Oke, sekarang Felicia berarti number 3. Silakan.
Me, sir.
Yes, you are.
Number 3.
Yes, it is.
But there isn't any cheese or ham in the fridge.
But there isn't any cheese or ham in the fridge. Ya, negatif. Sudah pasti pakai any. Thank you, Felicia. Next one, once. Yes, Felicia C. C ini apa? Cantik?
Kalista, sir.
Okay, yes, Calista. Please, number 4.
Okay, that's okay. I don't like cheese or ham. Are there any eggs?
Yes, ya. Itu questions, berarti kita langsung pakai any ya. That's okay, I don't like cheese or ham. Are there any eggs? Yes, that's it. Next, number 5, who's going to do it for us? Michael, please.
Yes, there are some eggs.
Yes, there are some eggs. Yes, positive, yeah. Good. Easy, easy peasy lemon squeezy. A little piece of cake. Number 6. Yang lain ya. Silakan yang lain. Take your turn. Catherine, yeah, please, Catherine.
And tuna, are there any tins of tuna? Tuna and egg sandwiches are my favorite.
Yes, itu kalimatnya pertanyaan ya, harusnya kita pakai any, mantap. And tuna, are there any tins of tuna? Tuna and egg sandwiches are my favorite. Yes. Number 7, who's going to do it for us? Siapa aja boleh ya, nak? Tapi kalau bisa yang sudah jangan dulu, kasih kesempatan buat teman. Loh, kok jadi nggak ada? Kin Eugene.
No, there aren't any tins of tuna.
No, there aren't any tins of tuna. Yes, very good. Negative, langsung any. The next one, I would like to choose Calvin. Are you there, Calvin? Oh, inilah dia tantangannya, nggak ada orangnya. Luis Frederick Salim.
And tuna are there yang nomor 8 ya, sir?
Number 8. Ya, nomor 8.
But I can see a packet of cornflakes. Have we got any milk?
Yes, but I can see a packet of cornflakes. Have you got any milk? Yes, exactly. Number 9. Come on. Cuma 2 lagi loh ini. Catherine Wu. Catherine Rachel Wu Silalahi, please.
No, we haven't got any milk.
No, we haven't got any milk. Exactly. Yes. Yang lain? One more. Michael. Oh, no. Not Michael. Janice Wong. Yes. Janice. I've been missing you, Janice.
Oh, well, let's get a takeaway. We can get some pizza.
Oh, well, let's get takeaway. We can get some pizzas. Yes, some pizza. Yeah, positive. That's it. Mantap. Okay, that's it. Yang di bawahnya silakan nanti kalian isi sendiri. Wait a minute, I need to log into your Zoom. Mau ambil absen dulu sebentar. Waktu kita tinggal 2 menit lagi. Nah, nanti for today, I would like to post an assignment. Ya, nanti di Google Classroom silakan dicek ya. Assignmentnya apa? Cuman mengerjakan latihan di workbook. Seperti itu, oke? Ya, biar weekendnya berarti, penuh kegiatan berarti ya. Oke. Wait a minute. There we go. So that's it. I think I need to end this meeting.